to start a new chapter, multiplication, that is chapter 5. Although you have done your multiplication chapter in previous classes also, but in this class we are going to go ahead in multiplication. Let's see. Multiplication means repeated addition. I mean to say, when 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives the answer as 6, multiplication is the short form of this. Like 2 when multiplied 3 times gives the answer as 6. The same answer which you do in the addition form. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 6, and when 2 is multiplied 3 times, it also gives the same answer. Here 2, 3 which are both multiplied. These two numbers are called factors. The numbers which multiply with each other are called factors, and the answer which you get after multiplying is called product. So, the numbers which are multiplied are called factors. This is one factor and this is the other factor. When two factors are multiplied, you get the product or the answer. So, let's start our chapter's first exercise, that is exercise 5.1. Question 1 says find the product. In this first question, they are telling to find the product. Question 1a part says 7 multiplied with 2. That means 7 2s are, when 7 is multiplied with 2, what is the product you get? What is the answer you get? That is, you need to know the 7th table or the 2 table 7th time, 7th table 2 times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. When these two factors are multiplied, you get this product as the answer. Whether 7 twos are is 14, even 2 sevens are also is 14. Other sum says 6 multiplied with 5. These two factors 6 and 5 when multiplied together, what do you get? 6 5s are 30. Next F part says 3 10s are 30. So children, this question says when two factors are multiplied, you need to find the product. What will be the product of those factors when multiplied with each other? So coming to the second question, it says find the missing factor. Here children, one of the factor is missing and they have given you the other factor and the product. As I told you, when two factors are multiplied with each other, you get the product. Here we have got one factor and we need to find out the other factor. For this, you need to find out with what multiplied with 3 you get 18, or in the other words, you can say when do you get 18 in 3 table? 3 table, when we get 18, that is when it is multiplied with 6. 3 6 are 18. That means in the blank you write 6. 6 when multiplied with 3 or 3 when multiplied with 6 will give you 18. 6 multiplied 3 gives 18 here. Second question, what multiplied with 5 will give you 25? Other words, 5 in 5 table, when do you get 25? Other factor will be 5. 5 5s are 25. D part, 6 multiplied with what will give you 54. In the 6th table, on the 9th time you get 54. 9 6 are 54 or 6 9s are 54. And in the last F part, 5 multiplied with 9 will give you 45. That is 9 5s are 45. So students, with the help of these examples, complete rest of the exercise. Thank you.